System of Pree the Gaza General. Israel burial.
You still want for leap a friend. When me drop a tea and remember me. Hey. Just picking up the pieces. Them not really love you, me know the street is.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Yo, it has been a pleasure to follow this one again, is what me I say, and make sure so me give you a brand new update. As y'all can see, it's been a minute. Yeah man, definitely been a minute since me forward over here. So, but you don't know you go, more while man have to take a break. Even if you have a 9 to 5, even if you run government, no matter what, more while you have to decide, watch you know. Take a week, take a 2 week, or something of that sort for yourself. You see what I say? Now, as you can see, this is probably 3 weeks to a month, way more than what me did intended for take. You see what I say? But you don't know more while you're there along the journey, and what heap of things go on, and you're ending up have to take longer than you did really plan. You see what I say? But yeah, all is not lost. We're there again with a brand new update. You see what I say? Dancehall artist Squash, yeah man, has he been released. We see a little thing we are forward out, we see a little thing I go on, and don't know from the last update I do in regards to Squash situation. But tell me say watch now, free up the artist. Once he is not involved in criminal activities and him not involved in what them say him involved in let go the youth. We see them do that at Jamaica already with the state of emergency. Yeah man, hold him for 3 months straight because them have the authority to do that under the state of emergency. And then they have to let him go. You understand what I say? They got nothing on him. But as we say, we hear same day road, you understand? Fully active, and just I come from word and mouth from me or people in the street. When you not hear who it a forward from, when we give you the details on what go really find out if them there road or not. Vybz Kartel's sons, in fact Vybz Kartel family, big question. Are they being harassed by Jamaican law enforcers? Are they being harassed by the police? Are they being harassed by the system? Are they using their father's fat, which is Vybz Kartel, to fry them? That would definitely have to go find out. Because we see a brand new video circulate. Looks like it happened yesterday or the day before. And yo, it is really telling. You see what I say? Masicka, yeah man, king in the earth. Masicka, the man we are on the ground right now. Yeah man, we see him do a thing. And that what I say Masicka do, it looks to me like him are the only Jamaican have the power to do it. We definitely are going to talk about that. And the last thing we are going to talk about, Gage. Yeah man, we see say yo, another DJ free up, another DJ wings where they clip him great back. And he will be performing in America this month. We have all of that we talk about in this report. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you for them one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel when you reach this far. So please may I go ask you now, give this video a like, because guess what? Line TV there again to take over the globe. And please stick around to the end of this video. Me have an announcement for make, and I wanna definitely no one miss it. Cause yo, me know see something I wanna interested in it, and something I wanna definitely I go benefit from. So stick around. We have some giveaway in fact. Tell no from now. Alright, yeah, we'll get straight into it.
A badass barber shop me used to trim. Sometime up a chicken. I'm a link up a sealant like every evening.
So up first, young legend, yeah man, a man from Clarendon by the name of Gage, him call himself Gage Almighty. A few weeks ago, me see I posted him. In fact, me actually record a video. Yeah man, me actually record a video with the update. But as I say, a little thing go on and this and that lead to this. And you don't know where it go. Me couldn't able to even upload that video there. That's what me I say. And me I say, yo, time pass, yeah man. So you know make sense, me go re-upload or me go upload the old video. Like, yo, the news is gone. But we see him make a post. And this are the posts where he make. Yeah, he must show and say, yo, him get him American visa, him get him American work permit. And you see, this is something what I want to see every ghetto youth, every Jamaican supposed to be able to fly go America. You understand? Fly go see the world outside of Jamaica. Because really and truly, you have Europe, you have Africa, you have all of them places there. But even if you got America, me I tell you, yeah, see a lot. And we're happy to see, say the man get him visa. Now we see him update it and I make you know, say, yeah man, September 29, only $30 you pay. And you go see Gage, young legend, you understand, live in performance for the very first time in America. And yo, me love that. You understand me? I say. And earlier, I said stick around to the end of the video, just so that's on the ear what me have to announce, you understand, and the giveaways. So yo, me will tell you from now. It would be great if you can leave a comment in the comment section from now, just so that each time you drop a comment in the comment section, you are notified instantly, you are notified right away. And you know, keep on if you run go check the comment section every minute if you see what go on. Yeah man, couple digital phone card that run in the comment section between today and well throughout today and tomorrow. You see what me I say. And you don't know, I want it be as fair as possible so that's one man no get everything. You see what me I say. So that's why I say yo, just leave a comment so that as soon as me make a comment, you understand, and drop in some digits in there, you can run, go click it on the phone and see if you can be the lucky winner. Anyway, big up yourself, Gage Almighty. We are move right along.
Only thing me worry about a feeling, lift it up and watch it sailing, catch a rifle on the railing, cause them want to take me out.
So yo, we see Masicka perform there in Jamaica. You understand? In fact, he was basically the main act. Yo, right now, I'm not about to tell no about that show there. You know? You understand? Because whole heap of people undermine it, whole heap of people underrate it, whole heap of people go and like say, yo, it is not one of the biggest show we keep in a Jamaica for the longest while. Yeah, we see Chris Brown forward after and him doing thing, but we see Masicka run up a national stadium and we see Masicka burn up the place, wicked. And a whole heap of artists you don't know, we see Chronic Law, Popcorn, the whole works forward out and do them things said way. But watch out, man, we see Masicka and Jashi run up on the stage, well brawling. We see Jashi actually there on the stage, and me not really know if me just in the dark, but this is the first and only show me see Jashi pan since the incident what happened. Yeah man, when they run in pan him and him friend them and spray them with bullet, you understand what me I say? Remember after that, we see Jashi jump out, look like him take a breeze from the country, and it take a man like Masicka to bring back Jashi pan local style and perform. Yo, that no normal. Remember, you know, man like Bob Marley alone do them thing there, you know. Man like Bob Marley alone was a step on stage, you know, man, with the biggest done them, you know, and make them actually shake. And even though them did brush after him and him have to take away himself for a while, but as when me say, a great man alone do them thing there. And we say Masicka could have able to make Jashi land back on local style and come give a stellar performance. We love that. And speaking of Masicka, we see which part in my Idonia as put their beef aside and make it be a thing of the past. Yo, we see the two artists them are rehearse on the same stage. We see the two artists them backstage are heal up one another. And that's why you see more while, you know. We see whole heap of things are going, you know, and better yo we just enjoy it and stay out. Because who would have known say Masicka and Idonia would have reached the point where them grow out the childish behavior and desire. So watch you know, we are big man now, we are run the ground. Even though many can say nothing nah go on for doing ya. Many can say him been preaching peace since lately because when him did basically dip on top, when him did a run the road, him want to flap everybody, him want to brush everybody, him want to take out everybody. Now him look and say, watch you know, nothing nah go on for him, so he want to be friend with everybody. That's how enough people say. But regardless of that, it's a good look if you know say yo, Masicka and Idonia put aside everything and know. So watch you know, we are doing it for the music. But yeah, we're not spending whole day upon that. We are moving right along.
Son, I fall in love with the streets not love nobody.
So yesterday we see a video. They show me I say police running pan Vibes Cartel family house, wicked, and this is not the first, this is not the second, and this is not the third time we have see such video. You see what me I say, and me know for a fact said this will definitely not be the last. You understand what me I say? But my question is, are these people really involved in criminal activities? Are these law enforcers, the authorities, are they using Vibes Cartel's fat to fry his family and his kids? Yo, me feel like I said them question are some serious question that needs to be asked, some serious question that really need some answers. Because watch ya, Me not really know 100% how Jamaica run, because we don't know if we be real. Jamaica corrupt, I mean, just like anywhere else. That's what me I say. And some things may easy. Yo, in a Jamaica, you can get anything we want. But you see, the mere fact, say the police them over and over, on more than one occasions, them get a warrant, them get a search warrant for running pan Vibes Cartel families residence, that shows say them have probably cause to say, yeah, them youth, that family are involved deeply in a criminal activities. Because for what me know, a police can't just run in your house and search it. Cannot. If a police, no matter who you be, no matter who them be, if a police come knock on your door and you say, yo, warrant, and them don't have it, them have no right to step a foot inside of your house. You see what me I say? No, in order to get the warrant, them can't just go down a station and tell the soups that they want a warrant. It have to actually go through a judge, and you have to present evidence. You have to present as much as you can for show the judge and prove to the judge say, yo, yewa, you know say this and that are going on. So you know say the family are involved, in order for the judge say, alright, sign a warrant and give you. A judge now go just put them name, them signature on a paper and send you go search a house. So them not do it. So for them actually get warrant on more than one occasions for running on the residence, again me I go ask the questions. Are they involved in criminal activities? People, viewers, subscribers, tell me your thoughts down below in the comment section.
You still want for leap a friend. When me drop a tea and remember me.
So the last thing we are going to touch upon, quick and fast. You see what me I say? We don't know say a little thing did go on in a Lauderhill. You understand what me I say? Florida, with some squash cronies. We now get into that. We talk about that more than 1,000,000 times. You understand what me I say? Little after that, or a few months after that, we see which part news are circulate. Says Squash himself has been arrested. Now the sites of them use is that them say Squash has been arrested in connection with immigration issues. You see what me I say? Forward in the country, overstaying visa, that. You see what me I say? But we know, we have sense. It not gonna be a case where something like that a Gwaan and film name so involved, film name a call up so, and all of a sudden out of everybody in America, them decide for hold on upon him and immigration issues. You see what me I say? Now people has been speculating, say, yo, the boss there road, people are speculating, say, yo, him still there behind bars, and whatever the case may be. No, with all those speculation and all the research to really find out if the artist there road, we see a mother do a live, you understand what me I say? A few weeks ago, basically, let me put it at that. And in the live, she made the world know, say, yo, the G there road months now. Yeah, man, fully active. Their road, the artist, good. And as I say, that I forward from the mother. So my question is, should we believe that, especially the facts say, yo, are the mother forward out and say it? Now, we don't know say Squash and them man they, when them man they say fully active, them man they say fully active. Them man they are gonna make sure see how them video and show you one picture and know say, yo, watch you know, we dey on the ground, we there foot. See what me I say, but when I see that, really and truly, we see a little bit of activity every now and then over him Instagram page, which is that natural. We see activity out of Vibes Cartel in Instagram page every day. And Vibes Cartel, they are jail more than 10 years now. So most times, them have people who are in control of them social media. So if one little post go out or one little song release, that are the least. Anybody can do that. The artist not have to involve in that. You see what me I say. But as what me say, with silico movements. So again, me I go ask you the question. Is the artist their road? And again, me I go say, if the artist not involved in any criminal activities, yo, let go the artist. You understand me I say? Send the artist a road, make the artist forward and come burn up the place. Said way. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. You see what me I say? Please me ask you, give this video a like and make sure say left a comment in the comment section, just so that every minute we drop in on one phone card, definitely I go get the notification so you can run in, check what I go on and see if you can lucky panda what anyway. Bless up.